Next option, of course, is that you are able to scroll through the actual categories and the whole playlist from Instagram. You can select the music you like and you just have to click add. Also, you can actually import music from your phone if you download a particular music that you want to use. First of all, you have to import the music from the phone inside this particular playlist, and then you can upload it back to your actual content. Next option, of course, is something that you're pretty familiar if you use Facebook Reels, or if you previously used YouTube Shorts. You have the option to add text. You can simply add anything as a headline, for example, the end of tech, right? And you can just play around on the top right corner. You can select where you want to position the text.